In this video, I will show you how to send Sol from Binance to Phantom Wallet. So if you want to send Solana from Binance to Phantom Wallet, after you open the Phantom Wallet like this, go to receipt section. So from this receipt, go and copy the Solana wallet address. After you copy the Sol wallet address, now go back and open the Binance app. After you open the Binance app like this, after you open the Binance exchanger like this, now go to this assets. If you come to this asset section, now go to this withdraw. So go ahead and tap on this withdraw again. So from this option now, go and select the coin you want to withdraw. Just search for the coin in this option. Let's say I want to select Sol. After you search for Solana like this, Sol, so tap on this send via crypto network. Now paste in the address you copy in this option. Now select Solana network. So the network is Solana. So now specify the amount you want to withdraw. The minimum withdrawal is 0.1. Just specify 0.5. If you tap on this withdraw button, now the money will be the Solana will be sent to your Phantom wallet. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.